Hey, this is Rachel from the Life Facilitator, and I am sharing an unboxing and process video for Everyday Explorers March Mini Book Makers Club kit. And I'm showing you the contents of the kit, and then I also received a stamp set, and I will leave the link to everything down below. So this kit is meant to be sort of documenting right now, daily details, it's actually really, it could be used for just about anything. And what I love about this kit is that all of the things that are in this mini book kit and the stamp set, the extra stamp set, this one here, can all be used in a planner as well. So they don't have to be used for memory keeping. This insert comes with a calendar, and I think the idea is that you could do sort of a couple of different month spreads in this insert. So I love that it has a monthly overview, and especially for March, because March is my birthday month. You heard that right. And I'm actually turning 40 this month. So it's a pretty big month for me. And I'm so excited to have this little mini book to document sort of the details of the month. All right, so you saw me set up the calendar, and I will go back and show you the final look at the calendar and how I plan to use it. And so my first spread is for the first day of March, and there wasn't much going on. It just was a good day, and I got a lot done, and I felt like it was a good day. And sometimes I feel like my best days are days that like nothing like extravagant happened, but like everything sort of fell into place. That's how this day was. And so I am documenting this day. I'm using a photo that, spoiler, actually wasn't from this day. And you know what? Nobody's going to know except me. But I loved the idea of this photo of me looking up at the words where it says it was a good day. And it's so cute. And so that's what I decided to do. So it's okay to use photos that are not exactly on the day that you're documenting. And I love also the stamped element in the background to fill up that white space. I just thought that looked so cute. And then I'm going to go in with these word strip stickers, which are just the cutest. And I love that they have the color way from the collection on the sticker sheet. So I'm trying to pull each of the colors from the sticker sheet on to add to the spread. And I use the TGIF because this, of course, was Friday, and so that worked out really well too. And now I'm going to use one of these little boxes to add my date. And a quick note about these little boxes, which I've recently discovered: if you use a Hobonichi Cousin or some sort of planner like that, these boxes, these little labels, work so perfectly on the vertical spreads of a Hobonichi Cousin. They're a little bit more narrow than like a Happy Planner column, and these work really well. So stay tuned. I have another video coming up of showing how I use this set in a Hobonichi Cousin. Actually, I'm using the Sterling Ink Common Planner, but it's basically the same thing. All right, so I am building my date tag, and I think I'm going to end up using this stamp set like the evermost. It literally has everything. It has numbers, which I find is hard to find small numbers. And it has days of the week, and it has the months, and it has these little tags. It's just the best. I love it so much. And I made this on sticker paper. I was like, oh, it'll be cute to have a little staple on it. But as I pull the sticker backing off the little tag, I rip it and the staple becomes it falls off basically. So it was a good idea. What I should have done is if I wanted to staple is I should have used cardstock and then just adhered. Yeah, it's fine. It is what it is. It's not a big deal. Yeah, there's me struggling. I have like a whole minute of me struggling with this and it ripped. Oh well. And then my last little bit that I'm going to add to this layout is a little bit of the pattern paper from one of the backs of the cards. And I just thought it looked great. I love this color, this like mustard yellow color. It's so great. There's a little sneak of how I filled in the rest of the calendar. And then I'm going to move on to the front page. And this is, this is the spread, like sort of the opening title page spread. And I decided because this insert is really about like me right now, I decided why not make the title page called Me Right Now. And I had everything, including these alpha stickers, which I recently purchased from Everyday Explorers. And these are must have. They're must have. They're so great. I got them in a couple different colors. I love the size. They're a little bigger than most alpha stickers that I have seen in the past, and I love it. I love their giant size. All right, so there's my little title page. There's my cover. Did a little deco to the cover. I'm using the calendar with a icon stamp per day. And then there's my first spread. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and head to Everyday Explorers.